Good evening, friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Sir Abdul Sattar Khan. 11th English 3.1 Expansion of Ideas, Brainstorming Activities, Question Answer. Question number 1 का A1 है. Expand the idea inherent in the following proverbs. A bad workman blames his tools. इसका आंसर है a workman who is not good at his work blames his tools and not himself. When a person does not know his skill and gets fail in it, blames other things for his failure. He does not accept his shortcoming and burdens the different people are in the world, the one who know how to take responsibility of thing and others who know how to escape from taking responsibility of a thing. This saying is suitable for people who lack certain skill sets or qualities, and instead of correcting them and improving them, they make excuses for themselves by blaming it an external factor. Second, one should eat to live, not live to eat. The proverb aims to communicate that one must eat as much as is needed to survive and not overeat. One must not make eating the life purpose. The primary purpose of eating is to live and lead a healthy life by nourishing one's body with a healthy diet, water and fruits. Through eating food, one can supply her body with the required nutrients to enable growth and maintenance of the body. It is therefore essential to note that one should not live to eat. This is because our primary purpose is not living life to eat. After taking meals, people indulge in other activities. This means that food should not be a priority in our lives. We should avoid overeating and should make exercise. Third, if winter comes, can spring be far behind? This proverb gives us hope. If something bad or unfortunate happens, one should not lose the courage and get upset because there is definitely something better and much more fortunate that will happen soon. Life is a cycle of joy and sorrow. Not a single thing lasts long. Our life is full with such ups and downs. Here, winter means difficult or struggling time of life, and spring means easy time when things happen as per our wish and gives us joy. This proverb is full of hope and positivity and advises us not to lose our heart in tough time. Fourth, beauty is truth, truth is beauty. This philosophical statement means that the real beauty of a thing lies on its permanence, and that there is only one ultimate beauty in this world is true, which never perishes. The remaining, though they seem to be beautiful, is not really beautiful as they are perishable. The quote states that how beauty lies in permanence, elements that never perish will remain beautiful for eternity, and truth is one such element. Thus, it is said that truth lies in everything that's beautiful, and beauty lies in everything that's true. Consequently, one must search for the element of truth is in everything we see, because though appearances may fade with time, the truth will always retain its beauty. Fifth, fool rush in where angels fear to tread. This verb means that inexperienced and impatient people attempt to do things which the experienced will think twice before taking on. This phrase by Alexander Pope suggests that a person who quickly rushes in to take over a situation whose challenges and difficulties he does not fully understand is a fool. Such a person does not stop to think why the people who are experts on the matter have avoided the situation. Thus, in his overconfidence, he thinks that he can handle something that the intelligent and experienced people have chosen to stay away from. This cautious behavior of the experienced is often misinterpreted by the inexperienced or as cowardice. The amateur thinks that he has chance to prove that he has greater knowledge and hence rushes in to solve the problem. A. To complete the tabular columns to specify do's and don'ts associated with expansion of ideas. Expansion of ideas. Do's beginning impressively, clearly understand the symbolism or idea, Unity and clarity of thoughts is important. Avoid too many ideas. Sum up with strong and relevant point. Do not go off track. 2. Explanation of word to word is not correct. 3. Do not give symbolic meaning of statement. 4th, don't mix up so many ideas, it will cause confusion. 5th, don't conclude abruptly with clearing the idea. उम्मीद है आपको हमारा वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। अगले वीडियो में दोबारा मुलाकात होगी। खुदा हाफिज़।